it comes to food waste, kitchen preparation is a top contributor.
I'm very, very happy and pleased first to welcome Chef Wojtek from Slovakia. We are starting with our sustainability, with our food waste system.
If we were able to reduce food waste, people who are living with hunger can be fed and we can reach the sustainability targets.
Enhanced food menu with more selections, knowledge transfer on new technique to new generation of chefs.
Zero waste cooking is not about the recipes, it's about the mindset and the system. If you want to start with zero waste cooking, do what you are already familiar with. Just replace the main ingredients in the recipe.
I will review current practice from food waste and train my junior staff from what I have learned.